Alright, we out here planting, replanting, putting up together grills and everything for this Mother's Day. Get ready to cook out just a little bit. Move away. Because you knock my camera over, it's going to be a problem. Get out of there. Get over here. Now. Now. Move, boy. Move. You hear that dog barking? You ain't paying no attention to it. What are you doing? Really? Get up from over there. Mm-mm. Move back, Stink.
Mike got being out there with you though.
Like it's garden.
Huh?
Like this garden.
You don't need to put that in the shade no more? It
What?
don't need to be moved, or does the
What?
sun? It don't need to be in direct sunlight?
It does. It's kind of cloudy today.
What?
I done seasoned the meat and everything. Y'all ain't done?
We almost done.
What do you think of that good? Another good place to put it? Because I don't want it right there.
Nah, well,
No, the garden.
it need to get some sunlight though, but maybe that's all. Maybe that's okay.
Usually, when it's real sunny, it does. But now that we see it's like this, I need to put it somewhere where.
Yeah, but then again, maybe it don't need direct sunlight all the time. It do.
See it? It's. Get the dog look yet?
5 times. Gotta get the shit up 5 times.
Yeah. Dominic, will you she want us to move this? You got all of that up? And put it in that bag? Put it in water. Oh, she want us to move this. Here's some that's flat tonight that needs to be picked up. You got a bunch over here. That is dried up. Don't see up. It ain't no nose to it. He's all the way back there. They're dried up. What are you talking about? He is back there. Back where? Oh, in the field.
Banks!
We should have put him back on the thing.
Banks!
Where is he at?
Up there, back there.
Boy, finna get towed up.
Back there.
He went around and got under the bar. That's where he gonna get the ticks from.
Come here. Come on.
Trying to get back.
No. Come on.
Go to the fence. Go over there.
He's going to the marsh.
Hey!
Such a little dog.
Oh! Boy! Gary. Come on, she wants to move this. Okay. It might be too heavy for y'all. Good.
When the last time you moved in with it?
Baby.
I'm gonna need help with them. I don't want to drive it. These so pretty. What are they?
Oh no.
Ooh, yeah. I want some squash casserole.
Sunflowers in front and between them and they're getting blocked out, so I'm about to replant those. This is the doozy y'all might not be able to do. If it ain't, watch where you going.
Boy, you better
Stop! Stop!
I was trying to
Sam!
I thought you told me to go.
Wait a minute. Oh, cause so here's my garden. This is cabbage. It's not doing too well. I may have to move these because these are my sweet potatoes. This is bell peppers, green peppers, and you see one there already, and baby beets, and I can't tell if those are doing anything because that's the same size it was when I bought them. Strawberries, I've had strawberries on here, and I put some flowers and rosemary. It's supposed to help with keeping away the bugs. This is broccoli, and you see I've had some pests eating those leaves. This is a watermelon. This is, I think it, I'm not sure. There may be, this may be collard greens. I lost the label, so I'm not sure. Those are potatoes I just planted. Some more flowers. These were spring lettuce that we were able to cut on a couple of times, and then I think my mom may have cut them too close down and they died out, but we'll plant something else there. Some more pansies, collard greens, some more rosemary. This is squash. This is cinnamon basil, sage, and that sage had been covered by this basil, so I kind of clipped those together to give it, let the sage get some sun. And then this is cucumber, and then this is my tomato plant. So yep, this is what we'll be doing. There's my water barrel. We had a pretty good rain yesterday. Hey guys, this is my first strawberry out of my garden. I've already washed it off, so let me check and see how it tastes. These are delicious.